Our video today will be looking at differential calculus. So enjoy this video, which provides a brief introduction to differential calculus. When dealing with differentiation, you're basically trying to find out the rate of change of a quantity with respect to another quantity. And the general principles of differentiation are: if you have y equals to x raised to the power n, as you have here, then dy dx this is pronounced dy dx, which means the rate of change of y with respect to the rate of change of x. So if y is equals to x raised to the power n, then dy dx will be equal to n, which is from here, comes down, and you have the n here, multiplying x raised to the power n minus 1. So basically what we're saying is, if you have y equals to x raised to the power n, the rate of change of y with respect to the rate of change of x will be, you bring the n down, comes here, and then you subtract 1 from whatever the power whatever the power of x is. So that's one of the basic rules of differentiation, and dy dx simply means the rate of change of y with respect to x. However, if y equals a constant, the constant just means a number. It doesn't have any alphabet, any quantity that's changing. It's not a variable, it's fixed. Let's say if y equals 5. So if 5, there's a constant. So if y equals k, where k is a constant, where k represents a constant, then dy dx is going to be 0 because k is a constant. So if y equals 5, the y dx is 0 because 5 is a constant, doesn't have any x attached to it or any variable attached to it. So the y dx is 0. So let's consider a few examples. In the first question here, we asked to differentiate y with respect to x in y equals x raised to the power 5. So using the general principle, we bring the 5 down, and we have 5 here, and then we have x raised to the power 5 minus 1. Here the 5 is the n, so we subtract 1 from the power, and then we have 5 raised to the power x. 5 minus 1 is 4, so 5 raised to the power x, 5x raised to the power 4. So that's our dy dx, that's the answer. And in question 2, we're asked to differentiate y with respect to s in y equals 4s raised to the power 3. So what do? We apply the same principle that we use. This question is slightly different because we have a 4 beside the s, but it shouldn't change anything. So the y, the s here will be, we have our 4 here, and then we multiply it by the 3 that's coming down from here. 3 is coming from here, we bring it down, so the 3 comes here, multiplying 4, and then we have s raised to the power 3 minus 1 because we subtract 1 from the power. Remember, we said in differentiation, subtract 1 from the power of whatever is being differentiated with respect to. So dy ds will now be 4 times 3 is 12, have our 12 here, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so s raised to the power 2. So dy ds is 12 s raised to the power 2.